To take a screenshot on the Motorola Signature, we have many different ways. So, for example, we can use the power button and volume down button at the same time. So if you press both of these buttons at once, you should be able to easily capture a full screenshot. Besides that, you can use the 3 fingers gesture. You can press and hold 3 fingers anywhere on the screen in order to capture a full screenshot, just like that. There we go. And of course, the gesture can be enabled or disabled, so if it doesn't work for you, you just have to open Settings, proceed to Gestures over here, then go to 3-finger screenshot and make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, we can go to Background Apps, and below the app preview we have a couple of buttons. One of them is for screenshot, the scissors button over here. So if you tap on it, whatever it is being previewed over here, it's going to be screenshotted. Just like that. Besides that, let's go back to the settings, actually to gesture settings, because over here, if we scroll further down, we can also find quick launch, which is the double back tap gesture. Now, in here, when it's enabled, and if you go to settings, you can actually switch to take screenshot. I believe by default we use it for Moto AI, but we can switch to take screenshot. So once that is set up like that, we should be able to just double tap the back of the phone, the upper side of the phone, in order to capture a screenshot. Usually I tap over here right next to the corner of these cameras. So if you tap twice, maybe firmly, there we go, then we should be able to capture full screenshot just like that as well. Not only that, we can also find the screenshot button by going to the control center or quick settings. In here, we just have to find the screenshot button. In my case, it is over here. And if you tap on it, then we should be able to hide the quick settings panel and then capture screenshot. You can also use the sidebar. So if you have sidebar enabled, which also is accessible from gestures, so we can go to the sidebar over here and we can turn it on. But what you can also do is you can go to tools in here and we can find the screenshot option. So we can add it to the list over here. And now if I open the sidebar, then I can use the screenshot button here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.